Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of graphic design. Whether you're an aspiring designer or just curious about the field, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore 5 lesser-known but high-quality free graphic design courses that are perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Our first recommendation is the CalArts Graphic Design Specialization offered through Coursera. Led by faculty members from the California Institute of the Arts, this program consists of 5 beginner-level courses. 1. Fundamentals of Graphic Design. 2. Introduction to Typography. 3. Introduction to Image Making. 4. Ideas from the History of Graphic Design. 5. Brand New Brand. To access the course material for free, simply audit the classes on Coursera. Next up, we have the Canva Design School's Graphic Design Basics. This quick course covers essential elements of graphic design, including mood boards, color theory, and typography. It's perfect if you're short on time but want to grasp the fundamentals. For those interested in logo design, check out Udemy's Logo Design Fundamentals. In this course, you'll learn what makes a successful logo design, understand client needs, and create a brand identity system. 15 lectures will equip you with the skills needed to craft effective logos. For a deeper dive into design principles, we recommend Graphic Design Basics, Core Principles for Visual Design on Skillshare. Taught by Ellen Lupton and Jennifer Cole Phillips, this course covers composition, layout, and visual storytelling. Lastly, explore CreativeLive, which offers a range of online courses for designers and artists. While many classes are paid, there are free options too. Keep an eye out for deals on topics like typography, color theory, and more.
Oh, hi. Wait a minute.
Before we wrap up, I want to share an exciting opportunity for those looking to take their digital art skills to the next level. While it's not free, the Complete AI Digital Artist Masterclass is an incredible resource for artists wanting to harness the power of AI in their work. This comprehensive course covers everything from basic digital artistry to advanced AI techniques. It's designed for beginners and experienced artists alike, offering step-by-step guidance, hands-on experience with AI-driven art projects, and pre-designed templates. What sets this course apart is its focus on practical, real-world applications. Some graduates have even gone on to build successful AI-augmented art businesses. If you're interested in exploring the cutting-edge intersection of AI and creativity, check out the link in the video description for more information on this course. And there you have it, 5 free courses to kickstart your graphic design journey, plus a bonus recommendation for those ready to dive deep into AI-powered digital art. Remember to check the video description for links to all these resources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep designing and innovating.